Quick check on business right now. Here's Mike.
Hey, Kevin, WestJet Airlines just announcing a major aircraft purchase. Calgary-based company saying it's going to buy 20 Boeing 787 Dreamliners. This is a big move for WestJet, considering it currently flies primarily Boeing planes with a couple of Bombardier planes on the side. But the Dreamliner gives it a much longer range capability than the WestJet's largest planes currently, the 767. So if it buys some Dreamliners, where does that mean WestJet will be flying in the future? More overseas destinations, perhaps. Greatly expands and potentially gives it much more capability to fly onto overseas routes. Now, WestJet also reporting first quarter results, a little shy of estimates, but again, the spotlight today will be on this latest expansion plan for WestJet on the fleet side after announcing just a couple of weeks back that it's going to get into the low-cost, ultra-low-cost discount category as well later this year. Apple reports earnings after the bell tonight. And the big question is, how much cash does Apple have in the bank? Maybe $250 billion at a record. And does that mean a dividend payment increase? Apple comes in at an all-time record high for its stock price, 146 and change, $779 billion in total market cap. Apple is one of the most widely held stocks, so this one is influential for pretty much everybody who has either a 401k in the United States or an RRSP here in Canada. Didn't get your taxes in by the midnight deadline. The CRA will now be charging you a penalty of 5% right off the bat on your late tax installments. So it goes up by 1% per month. So you could be facing a deadline of or a penalty of up to 17% if you do not pay what you owe to the government over the next year. So get that done if you haven't already. A price for oil starts the day at the lowest in a month, just above the $49 per barrel threshold. TSX yesterday down 10 points. Should mention that the VIX index, which is a gauge of volatility, even with all of the concerns about geopolitical risk and the Trump administration and everything else, investors unconcerned by that. The gauge of volatility on Wall Street now at a 10-year low. Kevin, back to you.